Is it the right time to buy or sell Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X Shares ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares. We previously released a report about it on our website on Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you can stay updated on all our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any vital updates that could potentially impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by giving our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 a try at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 3, 2024, our system has ranked Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.19. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. Currently, the ETF is in the midst of a wide and downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -43.14% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -56.78% to -24.90%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted -48.01% change over the next year, with potential returns ranging from -66.18% to 56.66%. This means the price could range from $2.32 to $10.73 after a year. Our latest update for the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares brings exciting news. The price of the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X ETF increased by a remarkable 6.53% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, the ETF's price rose from $6.43 to $6.85. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. We are eager to see if this positive trend will continue or if there will be a minor setback in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 4.02%, reaching a low of $6.66 and a high of $6.93. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a notable gain of 10.66%. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by -7 million shares, with a total of 106 million shares traded, equivalent to approximately $725.21 million. It is important to note that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices may indicate a divergence and could be an early warning sign of potential changes in the upcoming days. During the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached a high of $39.90 and a low of $5.56. Currently, the price is 82.83% below the 52-week high, amounting to $33.05, and 92.35% below the all-time high, totaling $82.74, which was recorded on October 13, 2022, when the price reached $89.59. The Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares ETF is showing mixed signals today. While the short-term moving average indicates a buy signal, the long-term average suggests a sell signal. The fact that the long-term average is above the short-term average reinforces the sell signal, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. It's important to note that if the ETF experiences further gains, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.50. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support from the short-term average at $6.01. A break above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average would strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. However, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a 21.24% increase so far. This suggests that further rise is expected until a new top pivot is reached. It's worth noting that despite the ETF's prices increasing, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's crucial to closely monitor the ETF. Let's explore some interesting signals you may find useful for your investment decisions. Moving average convergence divergence, it's indicating a sell signal. Pivots, this signal suggests a buy 5 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, it also provided a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, this one gave a sell signal 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 39 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a buy signal was observed 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, it indicated a sell signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 27 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares. When it comes to support levels, the ETF has found strong backing just below today's level. Specifically, it has accumulated volume support at $6.43 and $6.22. However, it's important to note that there is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level. If this support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level, which in this case is just below today's level at $6.43. If this level is also broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $6.22 and $6.15. It's crucial to be aware of the volatility of this ETF. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be very high risk. This means that it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, in the last day alone, the ETF moved $0.268 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 4.02% change. Looking at the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 4.41%. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares is at $7.25. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares faces its first support level at $6.43. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $6.61, which represents a decrease of 3.56% from the current price. It's important to note that this ETF exhibits high daily movements, making it inherently risky. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 4 days ago, indicating a potential upward trend. Is the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares ETF a good investment? While the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X ETF has some positive signals, we don't believe it is a strong buy candidate. At its current level, we recommend considering it as a hold candidate, meaning you should hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, January 4th, we expect the Direxion Daily Semiconductor Bear 3X shares to open down by $0.0373 and start trading at $6.81. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment decisions. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. What do you think about our current view of the stock? Are you in agreement or do you have a different perspective? Let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful one too. Sending regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.